Huwag ka na bang mabigo at magantay? Sabi nila, good things come for those who wait. Love proves that sometimes the deepest scars lead to the most profound connections.
Magkalayong agwat, gagawin ang lahat, mapasayo lang ang
puso napapagod lang, ngunit kailanman hindi sumusuko magmahal. The right man will come along when the time is right. Love comes when you least expect it. Love is not finding someone to live with. Love is finding someone you can't live without.
Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at tayong dalawa'y magkahasik ng haligay.
This April, Snapshot Moments shares another story of love. Experience the majesty of Ilocos Norte and explore the beauty of Ilocos sand dunes, where nature's beauty unfolds. Starring Jerome Naisa and Mariel Rabara. From lost love to a newfound connection. Their story teaches us that love can heal even the deepest wounds. Fall in love in a place that will bring them together.
Di kita matitiis kahit na ako'y man.
In a world where distance fades but love remains, their story proves that miles can never separate hearts. True love withstands the test of time and trials.
Just one look into your eyes and I know I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days.
From long-distance lovers to lifeline partners, no distance is too great for love to overcome.
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for.
Distance may separate them, but love keeps them connected. It doesn't matter how long it takes. True love can conquer any distance.
Baby, now that I found you, I won't let you.
Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes life worthwhile.
Baby, even though you
Now that I found you, coming soon.
caught me off guard on the shoulders of the freeway. Told myself and I saw people in their eyes.
is for you, Sheila. Love you. Promise.
Pagputihin mong pagsasama ninyo para maging successful kasi buhay. Yan lang. Yun lang.
Mariel, sana magpakabait ka sa asawa mo. Yun lang.
Thank you, Mang. Thank you, Pang. Dakilat akin niya nga. Kita tarapay, manipiti, ubig na. Kinaging nga natata.
Today to celebrate this beautiful day, to celebrate the marriage between Jerome and Mariel. Of course, we are not here only to witness, but we are one with them in their celebration, especially that we are here in praying for you. We are happy because this is a celebration not only of marriage, but a celebration of love, a love of forever.
Hi, Jerome. This is our day, big day. At saka, madami pa tayong pagdadaanan, marami pa tayong mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan at lalampasan na magkasama tayo.
Basta nararamdaman kahit walang pumapagit.
Jerome has the purest heart and a warm, loving soul. In every person you meet, you not only find but brighten the inner light. With you, I feel like half of an unstoppable whole. And I can't wait to take on this life with you as my best friend and lifelong partner.
Sana ikaw ay maging mabait
na asawa. Anak,
Oh.
sana mabait ka at maging mabuti kang asawa. I love you.
I love you. Ito na yung kasal na natin. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo. Kahit gaano kalayo yun, ano mga abuat ng distansya ng ating pagmamahalan, lalo na tatandaan na mahal na mahal ko.
Para lang mapansin mo na kailangan sadya kong sa'yo. Kausap kahit di sa
Hindi ko lubos akalain na bibigyan ako ng Panginoon ng isang tulad niya na napakaresponsable sa pamilya niya. Kaya alam ko na kung sakaling magkakapamilya kami, tayo, alam ko na ganun din ang gagawin mo.
Kahit nasaan ay sandali naman isaya mo ako sinta ibubulong ko ang musikain at ng puso'y magiging isa.
Marriage is a union between two lovers. Marriage is a union between two forgivers. And marriage is a union between two believers. Love, forgive, and believe in each other's strength, in each other's support, in each other's love and care. And believe that God will always there in your relationship.
Sinta, ibulong ko ang
Napakahiwaga talaga ng plano ng Panginoon. Ika nga, God works in mysterious ways. Ayat nga managsakripisyo, unconditional love. You are there at my worst and still there at my best.
In the movies, to my disgrace, it's like you never knew me. Thought I moved on, thought I was happy until your song.
Sobrang thankful ko kay God kasi binigyan niya ako ng isang katulad mo na sobrang maintindihin at pasensyoso. At higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. And I promise to love you when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. I promise to hold you in the highest regard. These things I give to Him or to you and throughout the seasons of our lives.
Everything is good. Everything is
Mr. and Mrs. Jerome and Mariel Naisa. Let us give them a warm round of applause. Congratulations to both of you. Best wishes to Mariel and Jerome. You may now kiss your wife, Mariel.
Everything is good.